Sorry, I was adjusting the cell phone. Just now, there was a 5.9 Atlantic Ocean region, and that was only on the Discovery Earthquake app, still waiting on USGS. Before that one, there was a 5.0 North Atlantic Ocean. USGS confirms that one. 4.7 Vancouver Island, Canada region at 6.2. A 3.1 Snyder, Texas, a 2.4 Snyder, Texas, and those were at 2.9 miles in depth. There was a 4.0 Greece, Albania border region at 6.2 miles in depth, a 4.9 Iona Sea at 1.9 miles in depth, a 5.0 Southern Sandwich Islands at 6.2 miles in depth, a 4.6 in the Indonesia, sorry, it's early. 4.6 Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.5 Panama Costa Rica border region at 6.3 miles in depth. Alaska had a 4.0 at 4 miles in depth. Chile had a 4.4 at 65 miles in depth. China had a 4.9 at 6 miles in depth, and a 4.6 Indian Ridge at 6.2 miles in depth. Okay, I will tackle you two in the morning. It's a little late. I'm going to go ahead and get back to sleep again. Hold on, guys. Let's see. What do we got? We're still waiting on USGS. That was not USGS. That was the Discovery Earthquake app saying there was a 5.8. We'll wait and see what USGS says before I'm going to confirm or deny that one. We're just saying Discovery Earthquake app. When USGS agrees or disagrees, upgrades or downgrades, I will get back with you. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have yourself an awesome evening. You guys are wonderful. 2 thumbs up. Sweet dreams, guys.